In this video, we'll show you how to open a Deriv MT5 account. Let's get started. Please log into your Deriv account and click on Traders Hub. Next, choose whether to create an MT5 Real or Demo account. You may easily switch between Real and Demo accounts by clicking the drop-down button next to the Traders Hub. The next step is to head over to the CFD section. Here, you can create a derived MT5, financial MT5, or a swap-free MT5 account. If you are not sure which account type and jurisdiction suits your trading preferences and what it has to offer, click on the Compare Accounts button. You can also refer to our specifications page to see the list of assets available under each account type. For example, check out what is available on the swap-free account from the specifications page, where you will see the SWF icon marked in blue. Choose which account jurisdiction type you'd like to proceed with either and click the Get button. Read the terms and conditions and click the Agree T&C. Click on Next. You will be required to authenticate your account by uploading a proof of identity and a proof of address document. At Deriv, you also have the opportunity to open accounts under more than one jurisdiction. To keep a high level of security, all our clients have to be fully verified to start trading. The next step is to create a password for your Deriv MT5 account, and then click Create Deriv MT5 account. Check out more videos and discover how you can make the most out of your trading journey at Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.